Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where I show you how to use your smartphone to make legit money online. That's what I do on this channel. So if you have not been here before, then you know that this is what we do here. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to start a profitable dropshipping business using only your phone. Yes, you need only your phone for this. No laptop needed, no big capital, no stress of keeping products. Just your phone and smart strategies. Then you are ready to start. And guess what? I'll guide you from how to find the right product to how to set up your stores and how to start making sales all straight from your mobile phone. Yes, all these things you'll be able to start using your mobile phone to do all of them. And also, if you stay to the end, I will share one secret hack that will help you automate your dropshipping business and scale faster. Yes, that is the gift I have for you if you watch this video to the end. So if you don't watch to the end, you won't be able to get it. Quickly hit the like button if you are excited, and let's get into it. So first question, what is dropshipping? Yes, this dropshipping we're even talking about. What is it about? Yes, what does it do? What does it do? Now, let me answer what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a type of online business where you sell products without holding any stock. Yes, this type of business, you don't need to own the product you are selling. Yes, you don't need to own it, but you are selling it and making money from it. When someone buys from your store, you place the order from your suppliers and they ship it straight to the customer, which means you are not even responsible for the shipping. Yes, it's the people that still ship it to the customer. You don't need to touch the product. You keep the profit. Yes, that is just the amazing part about it. It's simple, right? If you like the sound of it, type easy money in the comment section and let's move forward. Yeah, go to comment section and type easy money before we get started. So what are the steps you need to take before starting a dropshipping business? Number one step, choose a niche. Yes, choose a niche. You can't sell everything to everybody. You must focus on one category. Yes, you can choose category like pet accessory, fitness, jar, phone, gadget, skincare tools. Yes, if you go to different social media, you see people selling those kind of products. Yes, those people are dropshippers, and those are what they are doing. But how do you know which products are trending? Yes, you need to know products that are trending. Yes, how? First of thing, you check TikTok or Instagram reels. You can search for things like TikTok made me buy it or viral gadgets. You want to search those stuff, you actually get it. Number two is use Google Trends. Yes, you can use Google Trends to make sure to check if people are interested in it. Number three is visit AliExpress or CJ dropshipping app and go to their hot selling section. Yes, this is another way for you to check if those products are really selling well. Right now, I want you to pick up your phone, check which niche you would like to start, which niche is currently trending, and comment it in the comment section. Let me know the niche that you want to start in the comment section. Now that you are done finding a niche, the next thing you have to do is find reliable suppliers. Yes, that is the second step. Find reliable suppliers. You can use apps like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Spocket, and Zendrop for that. Yes, those apps will help you to find suppliers that are ready to supply those goods that you want to start selling with you using just your phone. Yes, like I mentioned, you use only your phone for this. You don't actually need a laptop. Before you choose a supplier, check these things. Yeah, these are things you need to check before you choose a supplier. You must make sure they have at least 4.5 stars reviews and they are fast shipping options, clear product photos and videos. Yes, make sure they have these things. Also message the suppliers and test how fast they respond. It matters a lot. Yes, it really matters a lot for you to check how fast they respond to their message. If you want me to do a separate video on the best suppliers for fast shipping, let me know in the comment section because I'll be ready to do that video for you. That is if you actually need it. Now, step 3. Yes, what is step 3? Step 3 is actually for you to now set up your stores. Yeah, this is when you set up your store. And for setting up your store, you can use app like Spotify, Shopify app, Big Cartel, Zero, and all of these are mobile phone friendly. Yes, you can install them using either your Play Store or your App Store. Yes, and you start using them on your phone. Now, here's what you need to do after getting all these things. Pick a simple and clean theme. Yes, add your product title, your description, and prices, and make sure you choose from between 30 to 50% profit. Yes, don't let it be higher than that. Upload clear product photos, use Canva app to design good logo and good profile for your stores here so that it will look catchy. Then set up your payment method. You can use apps like Paystack or Flutterways, depending on which one is good for your country. Yeah, depending on the one that is good for your country. A very important thing you have to know is if you want me to do a full tutorial on how to set up a Shopify store on your phone, type Shopify tutorial in the comment section and I'll be ready to make that video for you. That is if you actually need it. Go and type it in the comment section. Now, after doing the first step, second step, and third step, the first step is add trust factors to your stores. Yes, make people to trust you. Yeah, that is what you have to add to your store. Make sure you have clear refund and shipping policies. Yes, make people know that okay, if this happen, I'm going to refund it to you. And you have to make sure you have good customer review. You can ask your friends to put review on your stores and it's going to work. Another thing is professional logo. Yes, make sure you have professional logo on your store. Yes, you can use Canva for that. Yes, you can use Canva. A lot of them about that in Canva. Now think about this. Will you buy from someone that his stores is disorganized? Yes, you go to someone's stores online. You want to buy something from the person online, and you go there and you see that the person's store is not organized. So you go to buy from that person. No, you actually go for the one that actually have that his store is really organized. That is the person you buy for. The same thing to you. Nobody will buy from you if your stores is not organized. So make sure you organize it. Use a good thumbnail, a good profile. You can use Canva to design that. If you don't have a review yet, because people actually watch out for review, you can just share your product to people to check it out and review. Or if you have friends, ask your friends to actually review your product, and boom, you will have reviews which will help you to skyrocket your sales. Now we come to step 5 here. And step 5 is marketing. Yes, marketing. That is where the money comes in. If you do step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4 without step 5, you are not going to make any money. Now, how do you do it? This number 1 step is create stores on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook and post your videos there showing them in action. Yes, show your video there. Number 2 is run Facebook and Instagram's ads. You can use Meta Ads Manager to start small. Like, you can start using like $5 daily to advertise your goods. Now you can DM small influencers and offer them small amount of money for them to help you promote your product. Yes, that's another way for you to market your product. If you want me to share ready to use ads templates or free captions for your product post, smash that like button. Yes, smash that like button and let me know in the comment section. Yes, if you want me to share the templates with you, because actually it's not me that have it, I got it from someone. So if you want me to still share it with you, let me know in the comment section. Now here's the secret that I promise you. Here's the secret hack that I promise you. Once orders start coming in, automate everything. Yes, once you start getting order, now it's time for you to make sure you automate everything. You can use DISA, AutoDS, or CJ Dropshipping automation tools. Yes, this will help you handle stuff like order process for you, so you can focus on growing. Yes, it can help you do auto reply, stuff like that. Yes, it will actually help you, and also keep adding your trendy products to your stores every week. The more product you have, the more money you are going to make. Yes, once you start getting trendy products, make sure you are adding them every week. Be adding them back to back. Don't say it's too many, because the more you add, the more money you are going to make. Now let me be real with you. Yes, let me just be real with you. Dropshipping is not overnight money magic. Yes, it's not a get rich queen. You have to learn it. You need to test it, learn, be patient. Yes, you have to test it, learn, and be patient before you can make money from it. But if you stay consistent and follow this step, you can build solid income strategies from your phone. Yes, if you are able to follow this step that I just mentioned just now, you will be able to make money using just your phone. So this is it. Dropshipping business from your phone, step by step guide. You can just see. I just decided to break it down. There are a lot of more steps to it, but I just have to break it down for beginner level. Yes. Now you don't have any excuse No complicated setup. Your smart work and hustle easy. All you just need is just your smart work and hustle. If you found this video valuable, then hit that like button. Subscribe for more smart money making tips. Yes. If you're ready to start this dropshipping, go to the comment section and drop smart hustler in the comment section, because I'll be glad if I can really assist you in this. Also, let me know if I should drop a full video in part how to run as edit product and do design, yes, for the promotion of your product. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, just go to the comment section and let me know if I should do that in if I should do those videos for you, because you are my number one priority. Anything you want, I'm ready to give you. If you actually need it, go to the comment section and let me know. With this, I hope you really enjoyed the video and you learned something for this video. So if you want to learn how to make money from affiliate marketing, click the link that will be showing on the screen right now. Yes, click the link that will be showing on the screen right now. I'm going to take you to my video on how to make money through affiliate marketing. Oh yeah, guys, let's go.